they say you devastate, and I'm gonna back them up. I was warned, wasn't I? Warned, wasn't I, about you? Lay so low, just lay real low. When he wanders off, no one will know. I was warned, wasn't I? Warned, wasn't I, about it? But I don't listen well to anyone but you, and what I should have known is never what I'll do. So come on, baby, devastate me, leave me hanging and waiting. Come on, baby, devastate me, get me just where you never wanted me. Then run, run, run away.
I have no right to drag others into my river. I oblige no one to follow me, and everyone practices his art in his own way, if he knows the joy that rises like arrows to the astral layers, or that other joy that goes down into the minds of corpse flowers and fertile spasms.